Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming iOS and iCloud status, because duplicates behave differently when synced. Open Photos and begin in Recents to see newest copies first. This helps avoid removing originals. Once done, scan visually and use the search bar for common file names or people to surface repeats faster. Make sure to mark potential duplicates by tapping Select. You'll remove them in the next step, so don't delete yet, just collect candidates for batch action. Now you identify which files to keep and which to remove. If you have iOS 16 or later, use Photos Utilities duplicates to merge exact matches. This saves highest quality file and preserves metadata. For near duplicates, manually compare resolution, edits, and timestamps. Keep edited or higher resolution versions. Once grouped, tap Merge or select and flag multiple items. If you use a third-party app, make sure it requests photo access and review results before granting deletion rights, because automation can err. Finish by deleting or merging the marked duplicates, and then permanently remove them from recently deleted so storage reflects the change. Once done, verify that iCloud has synced. This prevents duplicates from reappearing on other devices. If photos come back, make sure iCloud Photos is fully synced, then try toggling it off and on to force reconciliation. As a key troubleshooting tip, restart the device to let the photos database reindex. This often fixes phantom duplicates and ensures your cleanup sticks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.